What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video. Hope you're doing great, and in today's action-packed episode we're gonna be watching some more idiots in cars, of course. This is episode number 136. So with that being said, sit back, relax, and let's dive into this now, shall we? Alrighty, let's get this party started, and what a better way to do it than with a little bit of power. That dude bought the whole speedometer and he's gonna use the whole speedometer. Well guys, good effort, but I think he's in a different time zone by now. Or maybe not. They got him.
Alright boys, what do we have here? Show me your IDs.
Here you go, mate. That all good?
Oh hell nah, bro, you look mad ugly on that picture, you need to change that right away.
Cheers, mate. Thanks.
But it's okay, you can go boys, it's not your fault.
That bird is a savage, I'll tell you that. Whoa, we have a pole position with a bang. I didn't know it was a new year. And this is not the first pole position we see, but definitely he put up a good show. He spiced things up a bit. And let's see. Whoa, whoa, whoa. He meant to do that. He wanted to make a U-turn. But anyways, moving on. Let's see here. I'm not the expert, but I think that's a little bit too fast. Hold it, hold it. Oh, dearie me. That's not gone well. His world turned upside down. Oh, the Mustang is like, oh hell nah, I'm not doing this. Get away from me. I'm not playing Mario Kart with you. Whoa, this is power in reverse. And I know the fakers is gonna say it's hate, but this is the equivalent of playing the guitar in reverse, only this is for the car world. Let's go! Speed reverse! Ooh, that was a pole position. Or maybe he was like, God, give me a sign. And nobody, literally nobody. The random pickup truck in the USA. Anyways, we are moving on to the next one. I know about run flat tires, but run flat rims, this is the first time I see something like that, but I guess there's the first time for everything. May the speed and power propels you! Honey, I'm home. This is how you leave work on a Friday night. Oh, what do we have here? He's like, yeah, I know. I watched Tokyo Drift and now here we are. You have a shack attack and you have a Prius attack. Booyah! Which one this is? It's pretty obvious. Priuses are wild in these days. But anyways, let's see here. Hey yo, bro, this is not the UK.
Stupid!
This is one of those examples why aliens don't want to visit us. If you wanted to do something stupid like that, you could have done it from the right side of the road. But I guess that's too hard for someone who doesn't have any common sense. Meanwhile in Florida, good to know they're still doing great. Whoa, 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 why you got beef with a... Why would someone have a beef with a trash can? We don't know, but one thing's for sure, that guy does. And maybe we can expect the diss track next. Actually, I would love to hear that. Whoa, 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 hold it, bro! Yeah, the brake pedal and the gas pedal, it's really hard to tell them apart, you know, so... It's understandable, have a nice day. But anyways, let's see what is going on here. This guy woke up and was like, I wanna get pit maneuver today. And booyah! The first one was just a love tap and then the second one really connected real good. It's like in boxing, you know. But anyways, on to the next one. Hey yo, what did that car do? Whatever it is, the car decided it was a perfect time to make an escape. But plot twist, that car was just a decoy and now the red pickup truck is escaping. And now the driver is shouting, you ain't going nowhere on my watch, but the pickup truck disagrees and said he's gonna meet all of his boys in Mexico. Oh, he almost escaped. He almost did. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What kind of pothole is that? But never mind, there are always some good people willing to help, but the driver had some other ideas. He decided to go full power in reverse instead of getting some professional help, but it is what it is and here we are. Incoming! Crowd-hungry Mustang! The crowd this time was very lucky. They don't even know how much. And meanwhile in the UK, just a normal rush hour traffic, nothing to see here, everything's good. Oh, this is gonna be interesting. Right, I need to go back. Wrong way. Beep, 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 beep. Perfect. Now there's plenty of space for me to park. But am I gonna park? Maybe not, I'm just gonna go to get some McDonald's first. Oh, look at this goofy ass Jeep. He saw the price for the parking ticket and was like, hell nah, bro, I'm getting out of here. Oh, here goes another Mustang. Power! Whack! These Mustangs are getting more metal hungry, if you know what I mean these days. Oh, dearie me. What the hell was that all about? He just wiped him out. That was crazy. Let's see, what do we have here? Oh, something's coming. Something's coming. Choo-choo, mother... Whoa! Hoo, hoo, hoo. That was a hard hit. I wasn't expecting that. It still hurts. I just hope the driver is okay. Whoa, whoa, take it easy, maniac. Ooh, that was a BMW, so never mind. Never mind. We are used to that. More than we would like to be, but we are moving on. Bro, brake, brake, you don't want to do that. No, whack. You can never win the battle against the truck, so that wasn't so smart. Whoa, dude, you need to stop playing Mario Kart. Oh, some people are beyond saving, that's for sure. Let's see here. Here comes another BMW and booyah! He connected again. When you ask the BMW driver how many times did he crash, the BMW driver is gonna be like, this morning only twice. And look at this road hazard. The driver probably thinks this is perfect. The work of the genius. Oh, woo, that was a hard one. That's now a Nissan Qashqai. That was mean, but whatever, he'll live, definitely. Let's see here. I'm just waiting for someone to run a stop sign. Whoa, 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 it's always the small car. It's always the small car. Unbelievable. Except it's not, but you know what I mean. Whoa, chill out, dude. Stop attacking people on the streets. I always wonder how some people got their licenses. It's a real concern. Yo, yo, red car, hello, hello. You're not alone out there. So, would you act accordingly, please? And on that note, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching and for the support. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please smack that like button, subscribe if you're keen to see more of this, and also don't forget to leave a comment as well. So yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to power every day, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Ciao, ciao.
Oh my God!